Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. If Marvel Rivals is stuck on the loading screen or not loading properly on your PC, don't worry. I've got easy step-by-step fixes for you. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Check your network connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause the game to hang at the loading screen. Make sure your PC is connected to a stable network. Restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. If using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired connection for better stability. Step 2. Verify game files in Steam. Open Steam and navigate to your library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for missing or corrupted files and fix them. Once completed, relaunch the game and check if it loads properly. Step 3. Adjust launch options. In Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Under the General tab, locate the Launch Options field. Type the following command, -dx12 to use DirectX 12 for better performance. Close the Properties window and try launching the game. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Press Win+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete all the files in the temporary folder. Restart your PC, then launch Marvel Rivals again. Step 5. Update graphics drivers for NVIDIA users. Open GeForce Experience and check for driver updates. For AMD users, use Adrenaline software to download and install the latest drivers. Restart your PC after updating the drivers, then check if the game loads. Step 6. Disable overlays. Overlays from Steam, Discord, or other apps can interfere with the game. Steam overlay. In Steam, go to Settings, then In-Game. Uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Discord overlay. Open Discord. Go to User Settings, then Game Overlay, and disable the overlay. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Step 7. Reinstall Marvel Rivals. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the game. Open Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals, and select Uninstall. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game from Steam and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. These steps should help fix Marvel Rivals not loading or getting stuck on the loading screen. If this guide helped, please give it a like, subscribe to Error Genie, and let me know which solution worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.